Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gusto for payroll management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Gusto for payroll management, begin by visiting the Gusto website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Create your account by entering your email address and a secure password. After signing up, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Gusto account using your credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your business profile. Provide your business name, address, and type of business entity. Next, input your employer identification number, or EIN. If you do not have an EIN, you can choose to apply for one directly through the IRS website. Continue by entering your payroll schedule, including how often you plan to pay your employees. Next, add your employees or contractors by entering their names, email addresses, and relevant financial information. Make sure to include their tax withholding information, if applicable. Next, navigate to the payroll settings section in the dashboard. Review your payment methods and select how you would like to pay your employees. Choose from options such as direct deposit or paper check. If selecting direct deposit, enter your bank account information for verification. Once all necessary information is entered, review everything carefully. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding to finalize your setup. Finally, click the Activate Payroll button to complete your setup. Now your Gusto account is ready for payroll management. You can begin processing payroll by following the prompts in the dashboard. Monitoring employee hours and tracking payroll expenses is now simplified. Explore Gusto's additional tools for performance management and employee benefits, as needed. Your payroll management system is now fully activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.